I've made over $30,000 per month with affiliate marketing, and in this video, I want to show you how to copy my strategy in the easiest way possible using AI. And to make it as easy as possible for you, I created a video checklist document that you can download that shows you each step that you need to follow in this tutorial. It also includes all of my AI prompts. You can download it by clicking below, and don't worry, it's completely free. So let's jump right in and get started with step number 1. Which is using AI to pick a profitable niche. Now, I'm sure you've probably heard other creators tell you to just pick a niche you're passionate about. Well, I don't always agree with that, because the point of this whole process is to make money online, and not all passions are profitable. What you actually want to do is use AI to help you pick the most profitable niche. To do that, come over to ChatGPT and open a new chat window. Then make sure you click on this little icon to turn on the new ChatGPT search feature. This will allow ChatGPT to search the internet for you to create the most accurate and up-to-date response. Now what you want to do is ask ChatGPT to give you 10 of the most profitable niches for affiliate marketing right now. You can copy and paste my prompt from my video checklist document. Then, once ChatGPT responds, look through the list and see if one of your passions aligns with one of the responses. If it does, great. You can actually use your passion to make money online. But if not, that's okay. Simply pick one of the niches from the list that you like best. The reason why you want to focus on profitability over passion is because you want your niche to be something that a large group of other people like, because they will be the ones buying your affiliate products, not you. If you simply pick one of your passions without researching whether it's actually profitable, you risk not making any money at all with this strategy. Picking a profitable niche also helps you pick the most profitable affiliate products later on in this process, which I'll get to in just a minute. But for now, once you've picked your profitable niche, let's move on to step number 2, where you create your affiliate brand. Now, there are 2 ways that you can do this. The first option is to create a personal brand where you show your face, like I did. My passion is researching and creating different online businesses and helping other people learn how to do the same thing. So because my niche aligns with my passion, I felt comfortable creating a personal brand where I show my face. But if your niche doesn't align with your passions, or you don't feel comfortable showing your face online, you can go with option number 2, which is to create a faceless affiliate marketing brand. Both of these options can work. It really just depends on which direction you feel most comfortable with. And don't worry, in the next step, I'll show you how you can succeed no matter which type of affiliate marketing brand you choose. Now, once you choose which type of affiliate brand you want to create, let's move on to step number 3, which is to find profitable affiliate products to promote. Now, this step is crucial and will show you why choosing a profitable niche in step number 1 was so important. There are lots of different ways to find profitable affiliate products. You can use sites like ClickBank, Impact, Amazon Associates, and Digistore24, just to name a few. Or you can apply to become an affiliate for products that you already use and love if your niche aligns with your passion. But if you want to make the most amount of money online with your new affiliate brand, you need to choose products that fit the following criteria. First, the affiliate commission needs to be either a high dollar value of $50 or more, a high % commission amount, or be a recurring income product. Or better yet, all 3 of these combined. And this links very closely back to your niche selection, because if you fail to choose a profitable niche in step number 1, it will be very difficult to find products that fit this criteria. The affiliate product also needs to be from a reputable brand or business, or be something you've already tested yourself. The worst thing you can do is recommend a product that is poor quality. This will instantly destroy your affiliate brand's credibility and trust with your audience, which will ultimately destroy your income. Now, as I mentioned earlier, my niche is online business, which has very profitable affiliate products that have paid me up to $1,000 per commission. High-ticket affiliate products are what allowed me to make up to $50,000 in 1 month with my affiliate brand. Of course, I can't guarantee anyone else's income, but I'm proof that it is possible if you put in the work up front to set everything up correctly. If you need help picking a niche or affiliate products, make sure you download my video checklist, because there I list some of my favorites that I've personally tested that you can choose to promote as well. Now, once you've chosen your affiliate niche and products, it's time to move on to step number 4, which is where I show you how to use AI to create your affiliate site. And I wish this AI technology existed when I first started, because it would have saved me so much time and effort. Because with the platform that I'm about to show you, you can literally create an entire affiliate website in just a few minutes. Now, before I share what it is, there are lots of different platforms that you can use to create affiliate sites. But for this video, I wanted to share the simplest and most affordable way that you could get started. So the platform I'm talking about now is Hdstinger. Hdstinger AI allows you to create an entire affiliate website in just a few minutes or clicks, even if you have no previous experience. All you have to do is enter your brand's name and a simple text prompt explaining your niche and what type of website you want created. And then Hdstinger AI will create an entire affiliate website for you in just a couple of minutes. It includes everything you need to monetize your affiliate website, like landing pages and an affiliate blog. And if there's anything you want to change or edit about your website, you can do that with the simple drag and drop editor. Hdstinger is also completely mobile friendly, so you can do this entire process on your phone. You can even get Hdstinger AI to write your affiliate blog post for you with the AI blog generator tool. And it can also improve your SEO ranking with the AI SEO tool. I've created many affiliate websites using Hdstinger AI. Here is one of my favorites in the video game niche. I showed you exactly how I created this site and monetized it with video game affiliate products in one of my previous tutorials. I added a link to that tutorial in my video checklist if you want to check it out. Now, one important thing that I want to point out is that when you're creating your Hdstinger account, make sure you select the business website builder so that you can get access to all of the AI tools that you need to build your website. Plus, you'll get a free domain, a free email, and other bonuses, and 3 months completely free. I'm also going to share my personal discount code that you can use to save an extra 10% off. If you want to get this deal, there's a link down below in the description that you can click on, and it's also included in my video checklist. Now, once you have your affiliate website created, it's time to tell people about it so that you can actually start making money. So let's move on to step number 5, where I show you how to use AI to create viral content for your new affiliate brand. Creating content to drive traffic to an affiliate site used to be really time-consuming and difficult to do. But now that AI has come along, you can create any type of content you like in just minutes, if you know the right tools to use. For example, I grew my social media following to over 700,000 followers and subscribers across multiple social media platforms by posting short-form video content. That content helped my audience learn something new or solve a problem. And this is how I was able to grow an engaged audience of people who are interested in my affiliate products. Now, my brand is a personal brand, so my short-form video content always shows my face. But as I told you earlier, you don't have to do it that way. I know you might not want to or don't feel comfortable showing your face online, and that's completely okay. Because now you can use AI to create amazing faceless videos for you in just a few minutes. For example, you can use the AI app 𝗏video to create viral videos for you with just a few clicks and a simple text prompt. 𝗏video AI is my absolute favorite AI video creation app because all you need to do is type a short prompt of what you want your video to be about, and 𝗏video AI will then script, add royalty-free stock images and video clips, add a voiceover, subtitles, and add music for you, so you don't have to do any of that yourself. Plus, 𝗏video AI just had a major update to version 3.0 and can now create unique AI-generated images and videos so that your videos are unique to your brand. Let me show you what I mean. But first, if you want to follow along with me, there's a link to the 𝗏video AI app down below and also in my video checklist. So here you can see I'm inside my 𝗏video account. And first, you need to make sure you have the beta feature turned on in your account settings. And then by clicking here, you can ask 𝗏video to create an AI TikTok, Reel, or Shorts video for you. Just give it a simple prompt with the video topic. And you can choose other options like music, the language, the type of voice or accent, whether you want subtitles. And with the new 3.0 update, 𝗏video can now create fully AI-generated videos for you if you don't want to use stock footage. I'm going to choose that option. And you can do this for any niche that you can imagine. And here you can see a clip of the AI-generated video it created for me in just a few minutes with a simple prompt.
Hello everyone, check this out. I'm sharing epic gardening tips for homesteaders. First, soil preparation. Make it a rich mix like chocolate cake for your plants. Next, companion planting. It's like matchmaking for your veggies. For watering,
it even scripted the entire video for me. InVideo AI also has a simple text-based editor that you can use to make any changes to your video if needed, like this. Let's see how it sounds.
Salut tout le monde, regardez ça. Je partage des conseils de jardinage épiques pour les homesteaders. Premièrement, la préparation du sol. Faites-en un mélange riche comme un gâteau au chocolat pour vos plantes.
If you want to try out InVideo AI to create your own video content, you can use my link down below with my personal discount code. By using my personal discount code, you can get bonus video generation credits within your first month. Once you're happy with the video, you can then download it and post it to TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, or any social media platform that you like. Just make sure when you're posting your video, you include a clear call to action in the description or the caption directing people back to your affiliate website or link in your bio. Now, the key to succeeding at this strategy is to focus on creating content that your audience is really interested in or will help them solve a specific problem. This will build trust between you and your audience, which will also increase engagement and increase the chances that they will click on your affiliate links. And one last pro tip if you were committed enough to stick with me until this point in the video. The best way to double or triple your affiliate income is with an email list. Having an email list will allow you to follow up with your audience and provide additional value. You can also provide additional affiliate links. This is another way I was able to grow my income to $50,000 per month with affiliate marketing. Now, starting and growing an email list is a little more advanced, but if you want to learn more about how to do this, let me know down in the comments, and if enough people are interested, I'll create a full tutorial. Now, if you want to learn even more ways to do affiliate marketing, make sure you check out my full affiliate marketing course down below. There, I teach you the same strategy I used to create a 7-figure affiliate marketing brand in less than 2 years using only free organic social media posts.